In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Google Drive to Canva in seconds. If you've been looking to streamline your workflow and want a quick way to access Google Drive files directly from Canva, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the steps you need, ensuring that you can follow along easily and enjoy the benefits of this powerful combination in just a few minutes. First, open your browser and navigate to Google Drive's homepage. You can easily find this by searching for Google Drive on your preferred search engine or by typing drive.google.com into your address bar. Once there, ensure you're logged into your account. If not, take a moment to enter your login credentials. With your Google Drive homepage open, find a photo or file you'd like to use with Canva. Hover over that file and right-click to open the context menu. This menu provides various actions you can take with the file. Now, hover over the Open With option. Here you'll see available applications you can use to open your file. We're going to connect Canva to this list, so click on Connect More Apps. This will take you to the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can find additional apps to integrate with Google Drive. You'll see a search bar at the top. Type in Canva. Once you've typed Canva into the search bar, hit enter or click the search icon. You should see Canva appear in the search results. Click on it to view more details. This page allows you to see what the app offers and its permissions. These permissions are important as they inform you of how Canva will access your Google Drive files. Don't worry, Canva is a trusted app and will only use your files to provide the intended services. After evaluating the details, you'll notice an install button on the Canva app information page. Click on this button to add Canva to your Google Drive. You might be asked to grant permissions, so follow the prompts and allow the necessary access to complete the installation. Take a moment to read any permission requests and understand what you're agreeing to. With Canva connected, you can now return to your Google Drive. Right-click on any file, hover over Open With, and choose Canva. This seamless integration allows you to easily edit and use your Google Drive files directly in Canva, enhancing your creative process without having to download and upload files repeatedly. By following these steps, you've efficiently connected your Google Drive to Canva, creating a much smoother workflow for your projects. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and are as excited as I am about the possibilities. Thank you for watching and happy designing.